back to our channels. So guys, let's find a creepy monster that is under 3. How to find this monster? Let's spin this. Okay, whatever. So guys, this monster is top of the tree, guys. So guys, see, let's play this game. So guys, there is a monster top of the tree called Hi. Привет. So guys, he says something. Kakina. What is kakina? Guys, I don't understand what did he say. This is the monster that is top of the tree. And my head is upside down. Bawoo! That kinda make me laugh. La. Hey, yo, bro. It's look like a entire government. Yeah, it's smiling too. He said something, bro. Are you serious? So let's find smiling. So guys, here is he's laughing like my hair. He want my hairline. Bro, why is going somewhere? What kind of like that? It's hard to do these guys. No, I will. Meat chicken. Oh, meat chicken. Noob is it meat chicken? So it's look like this. It's an error glitch called teach. Guys, this is the virus. So the virus called smiling demon tree. Sorry, I don't know what is that virus name. Just thinking of that monster. It's real or fake? Let's do like this recharge. Tick. Let's type him. Guys, this is not. I'm not doing. I'm telling this guy Yanpo, the noob guy. Let's do this. Huh? Bro, what did he say? Okay. Sorry, 8 a.m. Okay. like this. So here is ritual of red. So let's burn him. Burn and become meat. Yeah, pretty much anytime to come overflow ka. What is overflow ka? Overflow ka. What is overflow ka? Okay. I had this. Something in my mouth. It's a nakun. He gave to me? Okay. Let's make a house. This is stage 1 of the house, guys. I'm scaring, so I kept the key. Preview. Big much. Banana. Hey, banana. Banana. Background level? Okay, change it to fog intensity. This is the how fogging. That's a creepy thing you never hear. So change the ambient to become more closer. It look like more relaxed. Yeah, see here. Oops. Digital will never break. I cannot see anything. It's so foggy. It's a foggy. No, turn off the figgy. It's virus. It's always radio. If you see this virus is on the top of the tree, left, quickly left, because I don't know. That virus was a creepy virus. The entry, ha ha ha. Bro, why he's making backroom level? So how can I help you, meat chicken? But it's not working. So let's burn him now. But if you don't burn him, he's a red guy. Who always that's a virus of red. So I fired him and become a meat guy. So let's burn him again. Let's make him more infected. Okay, good. I mean, sorry, that's not a good idea. Burn the pig! Burn! Oops, forget about that. Let's die again. Let's die about this. If we die or and that's step strategy to go to like that only. That only. It's not looking so bad. Ow. Sorry. So guys, here the meat chicken call. Burn Burn. Peach. Burn. Firing us. No. He's looking so normal. Guys. Hey, he's become a red. How? This all means transform. It said if the virus the virus is spread again, guys. The new virus called the new virus called the Mintia. This is a bad virus. You never heard it again. So guys, I got guys. This is another guy running away with him, guys. So let's summon virus. Guys, my season is end. This is my end of my season. Don't let him walk. Sorry, that's stupid ban under. Huggy wuggy under zombie. Sorry. Oh guys, he's left the game when I cut. Bro, are you serious? He's changing again. Called demon to virus. Another Russian guy. How many Russian guys did I got, guys? Hi, sir. How did you know? I mean, oh, hi. Bro, why are you singing? Guys, I saw him. Hey, yo, bro, what wrong with this? He said yes. Bro, yeah, tak. He translate. Yeah. Guys, ignore this. Okay. Guys, is this familiar? Wait. Oh, bro, that's stupid. Let's keep here. Who found this? Huh? Bro, are you serious? Hello? I'm in file? Wait. I spawned a virus.